Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all having a great day. For today I was planning on going on a bike ride, but I think Mother Nature doesn't really agree with that. So instead of that, I'm going to be talking about this little guy here, which I usually keep inside my bike or on my backpack wherever I go. But for the last month or so it's been inside the bike and it has come in handy. So I'm going to bring you guys inside and let's talk about what exactly is in this pouch over here. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so this is my budget EDC Toolkit that I recently put together. The pouch itself is nothing special. I purchased it on Amazon in a pair for about 15 bucks and comes with a Canadian patch. I attached a small carabiner to it on the back just in case if I ever need to hang it onto something like my backpack or on a belt loop. And I have a microfiber cloth sticking out from the loops for access in case I need to clean something up real quick. For now, I'm going to lay everything out on top of the microfiber towel. As you can see, the small pouch can fit a lot of tools into it. So starting off, I have a multi-bit Stanley screwdriver in here. The bits are stored on the inside of the screwdriver. It has come in handy a couple of times so far. Next up would be a couple of zip ties. I did have more in here, but I needed to use them for another thing, so I need to restock on those in the pouch. I keep a Mastercraft pen light in here as well. I've had this one for a while now. I've kept it in multiple different kits in my backpack and all that, but now it stays in here. I also keep a pair of mini vice grips in here as well. You never know when a bolt is stripped and you need to remove it another way. Next, I have an assortment of open end wrenches in here as well. The sizes can range from 8mm to 16mm. I also do want to add in a small monkey wrench in here and adjustable one as well, just for those bigger bolts. And also I have another pair of vice grips, this time as a needle nose. And these Allen keys have had come in clutch real recently when I was riding. I've taken the bike out for a quick cruise and the right mirror seemed to keep coming loose, and I used the Allen key to make it tight enough to get it home, where I applied some medium strength thread locker to the bolt, which seems to have temporarily fixed the issue. I also keep a cheap little Swiss Army knife in here as well, mainly to cut loose threads or zip ties and maybe the occasional apple on the road or something like that. A bit of duct tape as well, because it always comes in handy. A few spare masks. Some places still seem to require them, so I keep a few extra in case I forget to bring my own. And some nitrile gloves as well in case I need to do some roadside work and I don't want to get my hands dirty. And a few different sizes of band-aids in case of cuts. And lastly, a Husky multi-tool. I keep this in here mainly for the pliers, and that's pretty much everything in the pouch. As you can see, some of these tools may be redundant and there might be the multiples in here. I'm still improving this kit. Most of these items were things I had already had playing around in the garage and decided to put this together and go this route instead of a tool roll, as most of my riding that currently consists of short commutes around town. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, consider hitting the subscribe button down below and to liking the video. It would really help the channel out a lot as we are continuing to grow and I'm trying to reach 200 subs real quick, and it lets me know that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and I hope to catch you all in the next one. See ya.